In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix the issue where your Garmin Forerunner watch won't turn on. So if you're trying to press the power button on your watch and nothing's happening and it's not turning on, then there's a couple of things we can do to solve this issue. Now, the first step is just to perform what's known as a hard reset. Now, you can do this by holding down the power button in the top left-hand side. This is usually labeled as light on your Garmin Forerunner, and we're just going to simply hold this button down for around about 30 seconds. Now, it doesn't matter if you see anything on the screen or not, you're just going to keep holding this button down for 30 seconds. Now, once 30 seconds have passed, we can then release the power button, and then you're going to hold the button down for a few seconds and you're going to check to see if that turns on. Now, if that doesn't work for you, then what we're going to do is just grab the charger of your Garmin Forerunner and we're going to pop the watch on charge. So once your Garmin Forerunner is on charge, we're going to leave it plugged in for around about 5 to 10 minutes, and then what you can do is come back over to the watch. Now, with the watch still on charge, we're going to hold down this power button once again, and we're going to hold it down for another 30 seconds. So once again, I'd recommend just using a timer to make sure you wait that full 30 seconds. And then once 30 seconds have passed, we can then release that power button, and then you can hold the power button down for a few more seconds and you can check to see if it turns on. Now, if you've tried both of these methods and it's still not working, there could be an issue with the actual charger or the power source itself. So I'd recommend trying to plug in your Garmin watch to another power outlet. If you currently have it plugged into the wall, then you can try plugging it into a laptop, for example, and then just leaving that on charge and checking to see if it powers up. You can also try replacing the cable. Maybe there's a faulty cable and the watch isn't getting any power. But hopefully by following these steps, at least one of these has solved the issue for you. Let me know in the comments if this did work, and I'll see you in the next one.